What's up, guys? So I got some parts in. Got these door striker plates. I already pretty much installed one with the cover plates too. They look pretty nice like that. Yeah, this is a part number. Got the part number for this one right here. I got new ones. These are like pretty faded. They're like yellowish. Can't really tell with the light there, but I got new ones. There's like a side-by-side comparison. You could tell the difference, let alone right there, you know. Then I got the other one right here. Yeah. Gonna be installing those. My lights currently don't work. I bought some LEDs, and I don't know how, but that burnt my fuse for the interior lights, so none of them work right now. But yeah, I'm still gonna install those. I also got these like covers for the bolts right here for the front. When I purchased the car, they only came on the passenger side, so just, I don't know, small details. So I went ahead and bought them. There's the part number for that. Pretty simple. You just like push them in and that's it. But yeah, just gonna be installing some of these parts, actually. Little details, but the small details go a long way, you know, as you're building a car. So yeah, so gonna be replacing these. Pretty simple. Just honestly take off these two screws. Forgot to buy the screws, but bought the cover plates, so it doesn't really matter, I guess. I'll probably end up eventually just buying them, you know. It's gonna be something that's gonna be bugging me, even though you can't see it. So I'll probably eventually just end up buying them. Bottom screw, top screw. Put that on. It was crooked, so I had to break it loose in the bottom to straighten it out. But I don't think it would have made a difference. But sorry about that. That's tight. And I got the cover plate. This is the part number for it. And then you just push it on. That looks a whole lot better than how it looked before. And yeah, this one was causing me some issues. I put a Phillips tip on this inside here to break this one loose because it was giving me some trouble. I even put some WD-40, but still didn't do anything. But luckily I thought of that, so it broke that loose for me. So take these things out. Make sure you put this back on. Yeah. Just like this a bit. Here's a new one. Yeah, there's like a bunch of little details I need to do on the car. I need to fix the fabric on the door panels. They're like coming off. I got the car like that, but I bought some adhesive spray already for it, but just haven't had any time to do that yet. But I'm gonna try to get around that. I'm gonna do my best. Probably in the next few days, or maybe the next week, if anything, to do like a little walk around of the car. So the whole idea behind this like YouTube channel kind of is just to do a little bit more content for these cars. I feel like there's not that much content for these cars. Just a bunch of old videos, and it's not really detailed. So even though these videos kind of suck right now, because I'm like camera shy and stuff, I'm gonna do my best to do videos of little things I do here and there to the car, just I guess so there could be more content on the C33s. Here's the part number for this one as well. I actually got these off of a Mayama website. It's actually pretty cool. I was kind of skeptical about the website, but yeah, everything went through. The way it works is that you basically add stuff to your cart. Once you add it, they basically put you on hold. They email you back saying if the parts are still made and stuff or whatnot. So if they're still making them and they have them in stock, they'll email you once they have them, and then that's when you pay. So you add to your cart, it sends them a notification, they check if they can still get it, and they'll let you know if they can get it, if they can or they can't get it. So if they can, once they get everything, once they know they could get everything still, they'll send you an email saying to pay. You pay, then you have to wait to get your parts. This took me roughly maybe only 2 weeks, maybe a little bit under 2 weeks, but yeah, but it's legit. I recommend them. You could actually get a lot of parts there for cheap too. So yeah, but I'm gonna do my best to do little videos here and there in regards to this car. I'm really excited. I've been wanting this car actually for a minute. I always saw them on the internet, but never thought I would actually own one. And luckily I came across this car on Facebook Marketplace actually. I've actually found pretty good deals on the Facebook Marketplace, so just check it out, man. You'll probably find some good stuff on there. But yeah, let's continue with the video. I also went ahead and bought these covers for the lights for the interior. Yeah, as you can tell, they're pretty faded, and this is like kind of like whatever, but I don't know. Like I mentioned before, just like the smallest details kind of go a long way. So figured I'd buy brand new ones. My interior lights at the moment don't work. I bought some LEDs and I tried connecting them, and for some reason I think it blew the fuse, so none of my lights inside work, or at least the dome lights or the door ones. So yeah, but yeah, these pretty self-explanatory. They just snap on, and you can take them off pretty easily with a flathead or any like kind of like thin stick, kind of like almost like a toothpick. You just put them right there, you pop it off. Same for the dome light. But yeah, check it out. Here's the part number for the top one, and there's the part number for the dome light. But yeah, this one pretty much boom, that, and then this one just goes my bad, goes like this. You know what? Let me cut and let me put it on first before I break it, and I'll go back. So I finally got it on. Yeah, I don't know why I was having trouble. Well, mainly probably because I was doing it with one hand. I'm holding my phone with the other, but yeah, it looks really good, man. Here's the back one. compared to these crusty, faded ones too. So it's all good. But yeah, here are the part numbers again for those two. But yeah, I'm really excited for this car, how it's gonna turn out. It's gonna be probably a long build, but it's gonna get there, man. Sooner or later. Got the little Broadway mirror as of now. The only upgrades I've done right now is just a double din. I don't know if the Broadway is like a really upgrade, but yeah. Other than that, just pretty much cleaned up the interior of this car. But yeah, I want to put an Arty. I want to get that out. Paint these as well. These are pretty bad, pretty faded, so I want to redo those as well. So that does it for today's video. Super simple things I did to the car. But yeah, I think the small details go a long way. There's still little things I want to do to it, and I'll get to that sooner or later. I'll do my best to do a walk around of the video, probably the next week or so. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next video, man.